Today you are going to know about the fatty liver disease, that how it happens, what are its cause, what are its symptoms, stages, how you are going to diagnose it and how you can cure it permanently, and also going to know about the prevention measures, that how you can stop the disease to come in the future. Hey everyone, this is Agam Singh Sisodia and you're watching me on Disease Media. So the first thing that you have to know, that what is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease is a condition in which the excess of fat deposits in your liver and start creating discomfort and pain. As you know that liver functions in processing of fat, whether it dissolves the fat or either it will help in storing of fat. Now if we talk about the types and cause of fatty liver disease, there are two types of fatty liver disease. First is alcoholic fatty liver disease and the second is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The alcoholic fatty liver disease occurs on those persons which drink a lots and lots of amount of alcohol that will create the liver to become fatty. While the second one, that is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, that occurs in the person which doesn't take any type of alcoholic drinks. In that case, the most important cause of fatty liver is obesity. If somebody is overweighted and contains a high amount of fat in his body, then fatty liver disease can occur with him. And the second reason is also similar with that if you are having a high amount of cholesterol or triglycerides in your body, then also the fatty liver disease can occur with you. The next cause of fatty liver disease is high blood pressure. If somebody has high blood pressure, then fatty liver disease can occur with him. And finally, there is a very important cause of fatty liver disease, that is the diabetes. If you are having type 2 diabetes, if you are having insulin resistance, then also fatty liver disease can occur with you. Now let's talk about the symptoms and stages of fatty liver disease. There are 4 grades of fatty liver disease. There are 4 stages of fatty liver. The grade 1 fatty liver is the most common stage that occurs in most of the people, in which excess of fat start deposit in your liver, creating discomfort. Most of the people doesn't experience any type of symptoms, but you may experience some pressure, some discomfort in your abdomen area. You may experience digestive related issues and some fatigue. Now the grade 2 of fatty liver disease comes, that is also known as steatohepatitis, in which with the excess of fat, the inflammation also starts. Now comes the 3rd stage of fatty liver disease, also known as fibrosis, in which due to excess of inflammation in liver, the scarring starts. And the person experiences the next level of pain and discomfort in its abdomen and also increased digestive related issues. And now the final stage comes of fatty liver disease, which is also known as cirrhosis, in which the scarring of liver becomes widespread and even that it can lead to liver failure or liver cancer. Now again comes a very important point, that how this fatty liver disease going to be diagnosed. A doctor diagnoses the fatty liver disease primarily with some physical examination, but just by placing his hand on your abdomen area and start feeling is there any swelling or inflammation in there. If the doctor got some swelling or inflammation in that area, the doctor prescribes some tests such as CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, blood test, lipid profile test or even biopsy. Now comes the most important point, that is treatment, that how you are going to cure this fatty liver disease permanently. So for treating this fatty liver disease, you just have to do some lifestyle changes in your daily routines and you are definitely going to cure your fatty liver disease. If you are thinking that there are some medicines to cure fatty liver disease, then please clear this misconception. There are no as such proved medicines to cure fatty liver disease. Even that the doctor which prescribes the medicines are just for the pain killing or just for the anti-inflammatory drugs, which are just for decreasing the inflammation in your liver. So the first lifestyle change that you have to do, that you have to reduce the amount of oil, fats and the sugar in your diet, because due to that the cholesterol, triglycerides increases in your body and also it also increases the weight of your body. That is the most important cause of this fatty liver disease. Second thing, that you have to drink at least 1 glass of Loki juice, also known as sweet gourd or bottle gourd juice. That contains lots of antioxidants that will help in reducing your weight and also the level of cholesterol and triglycerides in your body. Third thing, that you have to take sprouts or the whole grains in your daily diets, because they contain lots of amount of protein and less fat that will also help in reducing your weight. And one more change that you have to do, that you have to fill at least half of your stomach with raw fruits and vegetables, because they contain less calories and that will also help to lose your weight. And finally, you just have to do one thing, that you have to do at least 30 minutes of exercise in the whole day. That exercise should to be sweaty enough so that the fat which is deposited inside your liver will burn out and you will get a normal functioning liver. All the reasons behind these lifestyle changes is that you have to reduce your weight at least 5 to 10% of your body mass. For example, if you are having 80 kgs of weight, then you have to reduce at least 5 to 10 kgs of your body weight so that the excess fat which is stored in your liver can come out in the form of energy and you will have a normal liver. And if you want a complete diet chart of weight loss, then I have a separate video on it. I have linked that video on the I button and also in the description. You can go through there and check that video. And if you are a patient of high blood pressure or diabetes, then I have a separate video on both of them. I had linked that video on the I button and also in the description. You can go through there and watch that video. That will going to help you definitely. So now these are the lifestyle changes that if you do, then you are definitely going to cure your fatty liver disease permanently without medicines. Now this is the time to know about the prevention measures, that how you can prevent this disease to come in your future. That's also the same thing, that you have to follow these lifestyle changes in your upcoming life, that you don't have to eat so much of oily, sweet foods, or don't have to drink alcohol. If you are getting the fatty liver disease due to alcohol, then you don't have to drink the alcohol. Making exercise and workout routines every day, that will going to cure this problem forever. So that's all about fatty liver and its treatment. I hope this video helps in understanding your concept. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video, you are creating awareness about fatty liver and its treatment. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.